How to add custom stickers to WhatsApp. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add custom stickers to WhatsApp. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Begin by opening the Photos app. Once in the Photos app, and select a photo of your choice from the gallery. After selecting a photo, make sure that it is proper photo with a person on it. Now long press on the object within the photo, then options will immediately pop up, and select Copy to add the object to your clipboard. Next, go back to the home screen and open WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, open any chat and start a conversation. Paste the copied object into the chat and tap Send. Once sent, the object will automatically become a sticker and appear in your recent stickers, making it easy to reuse in other chats. To keep the sticker handy, long press on it and select Star. This will save the sticker to your favorites for quick access. That's how you can easily create and add custom stickers on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.